Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the decimal expansion of real numbers. That is, we are going to study in this section about the decimal expansions of rational and irrational number. That is, we are going to study the rational numbers and irrational numbers in a decimal point representation view. Okay. For this, first we are considering a rational number 10 by 3. We are going to divide 10 by the divisor 3. So what happens when we divide by 3? 3 3s are 9. So 10 minus 9, the remainder is 1. Further, 1 is not divisible by 3. So we can put a decimal point here and add a 0 here. Now 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, again the remainder is 1. Again we can add a 0 at the units place. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9, again 1. So this process goes on indefinitely. So what is the remainder we are getting here? 1. Repeatedly we are getting the same remainder 1. So the remainder is 1, 1, 1, etc. It goes on indefinitely. What about the quotient? The quotient is 3.333, etc. The quotient also goes on indefinitely. That is, it is not a terminating one. So this type of decimal representation is called non-terminating. Now the digits here is repeating, that is recurring. So this type of decimal representation is called non-terminating recurring. Now we are going to consider another number that is also a rational number, 7 by 8. We are going to divide 7 by 8. So 7 is lesser than 8, so it is not possible to divide. So we put a decimal point and we add 0 at the units place. Now 8 8s are 64. So 70 minus 64, the remainder is 6. Now again we add 0 at the unit place. 7 8s are 56. So 60 minus 56, the remainder is 4. Again we can add 0 at the end of the number. So the number becomes 40. So 8 5s are 40. Now the remainder becomes 0. Now look carefully the remainders in this division. At first we got 6. Next we got 4. And the final remainder is 0. So hereafter the division is not possible. So the remainders are 6, 4, 0. It is finite. Look at the quotient here. It is 0.875. That is, the quotient is terminated. In this example, we found that the quotient is non-terminating, but it is recurring, and here it is terminating. Now we are going to consider one more example. Consider the example 1 by 7. So 1 is not divisible by 7. We can put a decimal point here and add 0 at the unit place. Now 7 ones are 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So again we can add 0 at the units place. Then 7 fours are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Again we add 0 at the unit place. 7 twos are 14. 20 minus 14, again it is 6 now. We add 0 at the unit place. So we are going to divide 7 8s are 56. So 60 minus 56 is 40. Sorry, 60 minus 56 is 4. We are adding 0 at the unit place. So we have 40. Next 7 5s are 35. 40 minus 35 is 5. So we continue this process, but we never get a remainder 0. Now when we look at the remainders, what we got? Initially we got 3, then 2, then 6, then 4, then 5, then 1. So the remainder is non-terminating, but it is going on repeatedly. So these type quotient we are looking for, we are getting a quotient that is 0.142857. Again the number block is repeating like 142857, 142857, etc. This type is again non-terminating. Again it is a recurring type.